Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are down by National Heroes Park. Now this is where they plan to build a new parliament building for Jamaica. The project actually, a part of the project is to build a parliament building and another part is to build a government campus. But the first one to be built will be the parliament building. So the government is back at square one with the construction of the new parliament building. For a couple of years, the government had this project in the works and they put out a bid or a tender for people to bid on building the building. They had put up a budget of 7.5 billion Jamaican dollars. Now it turns out that the government got only one bid from the tender. And that bid was more than the 7.5 billion. So it was not accepted. So the government has to now review this project to see the way forward, because they'll have to put it out to tender again and they'll see what happens. They probably have to look at the cost of the building, or what they should do is look at the design of the building and see how they can change the design to bring the cost down. Okay, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The construction of Jamaica's new parliamentary building, envisioned as a transformative centerpiece for National Heroes Park in Kingston, has been indefinitely stalled due to budgetary and procedural challenges. Initially estimated at a cost of over US 50 million or 7.5 billion Jamaican, the project has encountered significant delays following an international bidding process in which a sole proposal exceeded the allocated budget. The parliamentary building project, managed by the Urban Development Corporation, is a critical element of a broader redevelopment plan for National Heroes Park. The design, awarded to Design Collaborative Limited through a competition, reflects a modern, symbolic representation of Jamaica's democracy and culture. The facility was intended to provide a state-of-the-art space for parliamentary activities, replacing the current outdated structures. The primary hurdle to the project's progress has been cost overruns. Despite an international bidding process aimed at ensuring competitive bidding and quality, only one bid was received and it significantly exceeded the original budget. Consequently, the UDC has initiated a comprehensive review of the project scope to ensure cost effectiveness and value for money. The UDC has also indicated that the procurement process will be revisited after the evaluation. This review underscores the complexities of balancing ambition with fiscal responsibility, particularly in large-scale government projects. However, the absence of a clear timeline for completing the review has cast uncertainty over the project's future. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know how you think the government should proceed with this project. Increase the budget, and I mean at 7.5 billion, that is very expensive. Just to give you an idea, they are building a 10-floor building down on the waterfront in Kingston, and that costs 2 billion, 2.1 billion I think. And this parliament building is budgeted at 7.5 billion. That means you could get a 30-floor building. That's just an example, of course. So if at 7.5 billion, I think they should seriously look at this project, and maybe an urban center would do better down here than a government campus. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.